Picture this. A massive telecom deal is on the line. Your team has poured weeks into crafting the perfect proposal, answering hundreds of technical questions, only to lose out to a competitor. Again, the team's morale hits rock bottom. That was the grim reality for one sales team until they found an AI that helped them significantly boost their win rate. In this video, I'm going to show you how they did it and how you can stop just writing proposals and actually start winning them. Let's be real, the RFP and proposal process for telecom sales is broken. It's a soul-crushing administrative grind. You're drowning in requests that are more complex than ever before. With hundreds of pages of detailed questions on risk, compliance, and network security, you spend your nights and weekends chasing down subject matter experts, digging through ancient documents for that one perfect answer, and manually formatting everything under an impossible deadline. This isn't selling, it's being an admin. All that time buried in paperwork is time you're not spending on what actually closes deals. Building relationships, understanding what keeps your customers up at night, and playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. And the worst part? That sinking feeling when you pour 40+ hours into a bid, only to lose it over a tiny compliance mistake or because a competitor just beat you to the punch. This RFP tax is killing your team's spirit. And, more importantly, your sales numbers. But what if you could automate all that heavy lifting? That's where AI proposal tools come in, and they are absolute game changers. This isn't about replacing salespeople, it's about giving them superpowers. It turns the proposal writer into a strategic editor. Here's how it transforms that painful process into a streamlined workflow. First, you feed the AI all your best content to create a centralized knowledge hub. We're talking past winning proposals, case studies, security documents, product specs, everything. The AI instantly creates a living library of your company's most accurate and approved information. Next, when a new RFP lands, you just upload it instead of you spending days dissecting it. AI agents can analyze the entire request in minutes. They then generate a high-quality first draft that's already most of the way there. For those complex telecom-specific questions about network redundancy or security protocols, the AI pulls the exact pre-approved answer straight from your knowledge base. Finally, you and your team refine and personalize. The AI doesn't just spit out generic text, it helps you tailor the response. You can tell it to rewrite sections to match a client's specific tone, or to weave in the win themes that make your solution the only one that makes sense. The entire process of getting a solid first draft is cut from days or weeks down to a fraction of the time. So, what happens when you dramatically slash your proposal time? You win more, a lot more. That sales team from the beginning? By adopting this kind of technology, they saw their win rates climb significantly. Instead of being buried in paperwork, they could respond to more opportunities, boosting their capacity without burning out. The quality of proposals skyrockets too. AI helps ensure every response is perfectly aligned with the client's needs and 100% compliant, which helps eliminate those small, frustrating mistakes that can get a great bid thrown out. Think about it. One team reported using AI to knock out a 300-question security RFP in just a few hours, a task that used to eat up their entire weekend. That's the difference between burnout and becoming a top performer. This isn't just a career shift, it's a life-changing one. You finally get to focus on strategy and relationships, which is where the real selling happens. Stop letting the drudgery of proposal writing dictate your success. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. What's the single biggest headache you would love to automate?